Hi there. Today I am back with some sort of tire detailing. Tire detailing gives your car a fresh, nice look, and most of the time our tire gets soily due to usage and running in this road. So a fresh, wet-looking tire gives a very good look and makes the car looks much better, and it gives an aesthetic look. So for this I will be using this tire shine which I have procured from Amazon, and mine is steel wheels. So in order to give it a much newer appeal, I will change the wheel caps also. So I have already washed the tires with soap, and there is no trace of dirt anymore. So before applying tire polish, your tires should be clean and free from dirt. So all the tires are clean and free from dirt. I have poured this particular tire polish in an old spray gun in order to facilitate proper application. So I will also apply some tire polish to this particular area, so this will protect it from rust and keep it like looking new. So since this area is mostly neglected, since it is difficult to remove the cap and wash this particular area every time is not possible, so while I apply this tire polish, I will also apply some polish to this particular steel wheel also. So let's start. Using an applicator sponge. So one tire is complete. Same process for all the 4 tires. So this tire is also complete. So this is also complete. So all the 4 tires are complete. Now I will install new wheel caps which I have from Amazon. Some alloy looking. These are alloy looking wheels caps which I have procured from Amazon. It will cost you around 1438 rupees. So these are the new caps. I will install one by one in each wheel. So before installing, please check where is your tire air nozzle is there. Okay, installed. Check how it looks like. It is giving a pseudo alloy wheel look. So let's try it in all the 4 wheels. It's complete. And the other side. Look, it's an alloy like wheel cap and it's really giving a good look. And the last wheel. So all the wheels are complete, and let's see how it looks. It's really looking nice. It's really looking nice, giving it an alloy like looks. Okay, so that's it for today, and I will be coming soon with a new video. Thank you very much.